Let's explore various methods to upload audio to YouTube and discuss the best tools and apps for the job. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications on my future uploads. You're here because you have an audio file you want to upload to YouTube. By the time you are done watching this video, you will be equipped to upload your audio to YouTube. YouTube is not just limited to uploading videos. It also offers a platform for sharing audio content. Whether you want to upload your music, podcast, or any other audio file, YouTube provides a convenient way to reach a wide audience. In this tutorial, we will explore various methods to upload audio to YouTube, so let's get started. As the world's largest online video sharing platform, a variety of wonderful videos are uploaded to YouTube every day. But if we want to upload our own recordings, music, songs, YouTube will remind us that such files cannot be uploaded. This is because YouTube does not support direct uploading of audio files such as MP3 and WAV. So how can you upload an audio file to YouTube? The solution is to convert the audio file into a YouTube-supported video file and then upload it, so that you can upload your favorite audio file to YouTube. Here we introduce 3 ways to convert audio files into video. Option 1. Convert audio to video via video editing software. One way to upload audio to YouTube is by converting your audio file into a video format. To do this, you can use video editing software such as iMovie for Mac users or Movie Maker for Windows users. In my case, I will be using Magix's Vegas Pro. Don't you worry because the steps are pretty much similar for all these softwares. Follow these steps. The first step is to download your video editing software, which you can easily find on the internet and install. Step 2. Open your preferred video editing software. Step 3. Import your audio file into the project. Add a background image or video to accompany your audio. Export or render the project as a video file in a suitable format like MP4 or WMV. Remember to select the video save path and you can export video. Now, you can upload the video file to your YouTube channel. Let's proceed to the second option on how to upload your audio file to YouTube. But before that, let me know in the comments the audio you wish to upload. If you understood the first option,